Bluehost is a web hosting company founded by Matt Heaton and Danny Ashworth in Provo, Utah. They have a staff of 750 people working around the clock. Being a recommended web hosting by WordPress.org, they feature one-click installations in all their plans. Bluehost offers a range of products and services to help you get started with your website or online shop, from shared and WordPress hosting to website builder tools. Their value-priced hosting packages come with unlimited bandwidth, free global CDN and SSL certificates, and free daily, weekly and monthly backups on a powerful and proven platform that is built to scale and optimized for speed and security. The cheapest hosting plan is $3.95 a month. If you're planning to create a website or blog, you'll want to check out Bluehost, because it's one of only 3 hosting companies endorsed by WordPress. If you are worried WordPress is a little complicated to use, Bluehost is a great solution. If you're just starting out, the basic plan is more than okay. The Prime plan is more powerful. It comes with domain privacy, so you can hide your domain name from public view. This can protect against domain hacking and minimize spam. Site Backup Pro, so you can back up your account's files, emails, and database, so that you can reuse them if something goes wrong. Think of it as a safety blanket. There is also a Go Pro plan that comes with security certificates. But if you just want to install WordPress with Bluehost, then the basic plan is right for you. As your site grows, you can decide for yourself when to upgrade to a plan with more added value features. This US-based hosting provider offers loads of different hosting-related products, from domain names to dedicated servers. Let me quickly go over their large catalog. First is domain names. Although they are not the cheapest domain name registrar, you can buy domain names directly from Bluehost. Second is shared hosting. Unless you are managing a really large project or you need to geek around with your server's configuration, a shared hosting plan is the one you ought to consider. Think of this as sharing a flat. You'll share a server, flat, but you'll have your own hosting space, room, cheaper but noisier. At Bluehost their shared prices go from $8.99 to $25.99 per month. Third is WordPress hosting. Bluehost has a WordPress-focused hosting service. It's optimized for WordPress sites and comes with several perks like a staging area. Fourth is VPS. A virtual private server is something in between a shared hosting and a dedicated one. You'll share a server with other clients, but there's a virtual wall between your projects and theirs. This type of hosting is recommended for those needing special server configurations. And the fifth is dedicated servers. Adequate for those websites that generate tons of traffic and/or need a top-performing server. You can think of this as having your own house, no neighbors or roommates to bother you. Let me quickly tell you what I think are the most important pros and cons of Bluehost shared hosting. Let's get started with pros. Even though Bluehost is one of the cheaper options on the market, we have been pleased to see that they don't cut too many corners or skimp on critical features like security. Most plans include unlimited disk storage, domain hosting, email addresses, and bandwidth. You get a free domain name for a year included with your purchase. The enhanced cPanel is really easy to use and offers fast access to features. The security features on Bluehost are flat out excellent. Numerous databases are available, including MySQL, PostgreSQL, CGI Bin, PHP, Python, Perl, Ruby on Rails, and much more. Tons of free website scripts are available, including social networking scripts, blog support, mailing lists, message forums, Joomla and Drupal and TikiWiki. E-commerce features are good with multiple shopping carts available and SSL security. Most customers report that Bluehost is fast. Integrate with Cloudflare, and you'll get even better performance. If you can afford it, the WordPress hosting on Bluehost is considered to be top-notch. Now let's talk about the cons. While there are many useful add-ons available, unfortunately, you need to install many of them to get the full functionality you need. The customer service team gets mixed reviews. Bluehost loves to try to upsell its customers, which can get to be annoying if you are on a tight budget. The WordPress plans, while very nice regarding features, are also very expensive compared to plans offered by many competitors. Unfortunately, Bluehost doesn't do free migrations. They have a one-time fee of $149.99 that includes the migration of up to 5 websites, 20 email accounts, and any other database files for these sites. Now let's talk about the Bluehost pricing. Bluehost's basic plan will cost you $3.95 overall. Bluehost delivers strong performance and good value. With our discount link in the description below, the Plus plan increases to $5.45 per mo, the same price as the Choice Plus option for unlimited websites, SSD storage, and bandwidth. They also allow you to manage unlimited domains, part domains, and subdomains on these plans, too. The Pro plan starts at $13.95 per month with all of these features and high performance from their servers. They provide free domain for first year, then renews at $14.99. They have easy two-page sign-up process. Payment methods are major credit cards and PayPal. Hidden fees and clauses with no refund on any domain names. Renewal rates for both domains and hosting increase. Some upsells. Unfortunately, it's a common occurrence in the web hosting industry and happens with a lot of different big-name hosting companies. Most users enjoy instant activation. If the information is inaccurate or there's suspicion of fraud, activation might get delayed. Control panel and dashboard experience a simple and easy to use control panel. Bluehost has Mojo Marketplace makes app installation quick and easy. Bluehost has ranked at or near the top for both uptime and loading times for more than a year. Overall, Bluehost delivers strong performance and good value. If you are ready to buy Bluehost, then make sure to get it from the link given in the description below to get a discount. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel now and also click on the bell icon to stay updated with the latest review videos. Thanks for watching.